Hi there, this is Ozzy from Ozzy Visuals. Hope you guys are doing okay. Now there are tons of ways to make YouTube end screens, and there's some very fantastic tutorials online as well. Especially on YouTube, there's fantastic, but there's only one problem. They're not free. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through this with you, and I'm going to show you how you can make a YouTube end card for absolutely free, and it's very, very easy. So let's get started. And if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. And there will be a lot of things that you will be able to learn on YouTube and by my channel in terms of filmmaking, in terms of YouTube tips and tricks. And yeah, I'm going to go through them all with you on this channel. So if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so on the screen now you can see we have a website called Canva.com. It's absolutely a fantastic website. I can't really stress that enough. It's so many really good things. There's a paid version to it, but also you can use free things as well, and we're going to be working on the free things today. So let me go through that with you. Okay, so first of all, when you do go into Canva.com, it will ask you to sign in and log in. Now, if you don't have an account, you can either sign in with Facebook, or you can sign in with Apple or wherever. Okay, so once you are in the Canva.com interface, you will see a lot of options here. So not to worry, so I'm going to go through this with you guys, okay? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go through this with you. So on here you see what it says, create design. Now if you click on that, you come up with some more options, custom dimensions, poster. Now we need to set the video on. Now on default, it is actually on 1080p. I'm going to be uploading my video in 1080p, so I'm going to leave it at 1080p. But if you want to do it in 4K, obviously all you do is, what you need to do is go into the custom dimensions, click on there, and then there obviously you can put in, you know, your width and the height for 4K. So I'm not going to do that today, but obviously if you want to do that, honestly you can do that. It's not that hard to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into video, and you can see here it's 1920 by 1080. So I'm just going to click on there. And when you open the actual interface, it's going to give you some options. Choose a template. So I'm going to cross that. But obviously in your own time, you know, when you got more time to do things, you can do, that's no problem. Okay, so here you can see search template, and here I'm just going to type in YouTube outro and just click enter. Now when you do this, you'll see a lot of options here. Okay, now the one that we're going to go for today is actually this one here, which is the first one, just for the sake of this video, but obviously you can choose any ones that you like for your own liking. That's not a problem. Okay, so now you click this and you have this really beautiful looking screen, and this is absolutely free. Now if you look here, it says that this clip is actually 6.9 seconds long, which basically means that that's going to be the length of your clip. So obviously when you do eventually make this, and you can actually put that onto your any editing software that you're using, you can do that. That's no problem at all. Okay, so first what we're going to look at is some options here. Now if you play, so again, this one here, so if you play that, you'll see that's what it looks like. Now the beauty of this application is the fact that you can actually change, you know, the way this works. So if you go into block, just click on there, you'll see it's on there, and then it'll be like, if you go on fade, be like this, pan, and rise is the one that was already on there, obviously, so you can do that as well, and tumble as well. Now, well, straight off the bat, I think this one, tumble here, is absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that one. And then once you've done that, obviously you can come back here again where it was rise, and then just click on there. So that'll bring everything back again. Now, also with this, you can actually, you know, rename things. So my channel name is obviously Ozzy Visuals, so I'm just going to put that in there. Ozzy Visuals. And now you can see, you know, it's on there, which is great, and it is so easy. And also what else you can do is go on, you know, this section here, just tap on there, and you see it's all been selected. What you can do is just double tap and obviously select your text, and you can change that to whatever you like. So on here it's thanks for watching, but I'm just going to leave it like that for now because I think that's okay. And here obviously it says now check this out, or what to watch, so you can do that as well. And also if you look here, this is the color. So if you just click on there, so that'll select everything. As you can see, there's a blue outline there. That selected everything. So if you go into there now, you'll see different colors. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead with blue because I like blue. And straight off the bat, that looks absolutely fantastic. And then I'm just going to click on there again, and that will bring you back to your same thing. Now, once you are satisfied and happy with your end screen, now, like I said, this is not the only one. There are many others as well, but I'm just doing this for the sake of this video, just to show you guys how easy it is to make your own screen. And honestly, guys, this will raise your viewership. So, because whenever you put this on the end of your screen and people do eventually make it to the end of your video, they will click on one of these videos here, and what will happen then is that obviously it will take you to your other videos, which will increase your watch time and which will obviously, make it better for you in the long run. Okay, so once you've done that, obviously again, just play it, and it looks like this. Okay, so I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and download this. So what you need to do for that is go into download video, which is right over here. Click there. And here you'll see it says MP, MP4, GIF and all that. But obviously what you need to do is just select the MP4. That's the one that you need. And here's the download. So obviously you need to just go into there. And this is basically now what this is doing is preparing your download here. And that's it. Simple as that. And that's how easy it is to basically make your own end screen. It's very, very simple. And then once you've done that, all you need to do is put into editing software on the end of the video that you're going to be making. And obviously I'll show you that once this is downloaded. Okay, so once you're done, basically go into editing software, and I use Premiere Pro personally, which I believe obviously is one of the best softwares out there. So it doesn't matter which software it is, you can use it on anything really. And then there you go, simple as that, guys. So that's how you make a YouTube end screen, and it's absolutely free. Make sure you go to canva.com. Honestly, believe me, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just want to share this with you guys how you can do that. And obviously if you are a new YouTuber here, make sure you do subscribe, because there's going to be some more videos coming up very, very soon that will help you guys to obviously make your videos a bit better, and also obviously tips and tricks on how to use the YouTube interface properly as well. So my name is Ozzy from Ozzy Visuals. I hope you had a very good day and you learned something today. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe, and there'll be some more videos coming soon. Okay, take care now. Bye.